Hey, it's Dr. Karen. This is an episode of Healthy Habits, Healthy Life. And I'm actually not in the healthiest place. I'm actually in a city in Canada visiting my mom. And I made the mistake last night of leaving the Wi-Fi on. Yes. In fact, in this particular apartment, there are two Wi-Fi routers, long story. And normally when I stay here, I will unplug it. So here it is. This little guy here. Currently, it is unplugged. Now, I want to show you this Wi-Fi router happens to be just about 10 feet from my head when I sleep there at night. So last night, I forgot to turn it off. I forgot to pull the plug, right? And I noticed in the morning, I've had pretty intense dreams, but lots of processing anyway. But in the morning, noticed that both arms were numb. Yes, both my arms were numb. And the scapular area, I call those the angel wing insertion points, were definitely tight. The fascia was not happy there. And that is my signal that, okay, fascia is unhappy. It's responding to something. What's going on? Then I realized, oh my gosh, I forgot to unplug the Wi-Fi. Now, the first time I figured out about the Wi-Fi was that my cousin, I was visiting her and I was sleeping in her extra room. And I woke up with pains all over my body, like I had fibromyalgia again, as well as this tight scapula, numb arms. And I didn't really know what it was. And I left her place and it went away. And then it wasn't until months and months later, my mom and dad got new Wi-Fi, brand new. I didn't have it in my home at the time. And they actually, had it on and again, didn't think much of it, right? Slept in their extra bedroom, morning, numb arms, and a little bit of fibromyalgia pain. And I was like, what's similar between their house and my cousin's house? So I asked my mom, and she's like, oh, we just put in Wi-Fi. I'm like, oh, that is very interesting. So since, knowing that my body has this response, and by the way, it isn't necessarily, I wouldn't call it necessarily like, oh, I'm super sensitive to Wi-Fi, poor me. No. It's like we are all sensitive to Wi-Fi, whether you feel it or not. My body just happens to give me signals. Thank you, body. What I've done when I travel is, if I can, I unplug the Wi-Fi, right? If I can't, say I'm in a hotel, something like that, I have several different tools. And I muscle tested last night that my tools were about 90% effective at helping support my body while being irradiated all night by two routers. And so today this morning, still feel a little bit of tightness there. The numb hands, arms have gone. But let me show you some of the tools. Some of you are probably familiar with this if you know me well. Now, the first one is I have my Ascension 3 jewelry. So the Ascension 3 jewelry is infused with the Schumann frequency, which will help to ground me into the beautiful positive energies of the planet. The second thing that I have actually is an earthing mat that I put on the bed. So let me see if I can show you this. So it is underneath right here, and that is plugged into the grounding port. Okay, so this is a whole queen-sized mat that I have. So that helps to ground. Again, not 100%, especially when the router is that close. Normally, if the other router's on, because when my brother lives here, he likes to do stuff in the middle of the night, so he will not let me turn that one off. So yeah, that one stays on. I do not have numb arms. So it really is this little guy here. Now, the third thing that I have that's super helpful is my LifeWave patches. Now, check out my new lunchbox. Yes, it's a lunchbox. And so I put all my patches in here, ready for travel. And so last night I had the Alavita, I had an Eon, I had a carnosine on. And all of those things are antioxidants, so that's super, super helpful. Had I had the Eon closer to my head, potentially, maybe I wouldn't have the numb arms, or maybe I wouldn't even have noticed. However, that router is pretty darn close, right, to be on. So these tools can be super helpful. And of course, there's TOLPAKAN Healing. This morning, I was like, oh, I could have checked how happy my energetic relationship is with this particular, router and the energy coming from it. I just did it in general for the whole town. How happy is my energetic relationship with the energies of Markham, etc. I healed that before I came, but I did not specifically ask for this particular router. The second thing too is where the bed is, right? This wall. It's a neighbor, and pretty much everybody has Wi-Fi. Everybody has cell phones, right? And I muscle tested, and I can't prove it unless I knock on the door and ask them, that the bedroom right behind my head, that they had a cell phone on. So it's like, you either live in a cave or you figure out some ways to mitigate some of the energies. I am much more resilient than I used to be. I got to tell you, I used to not, and this isn't like placid, like we're talking country, okay, where cell service was not really that great back then. But I used to not be able to stand when a patient would come in to the office and have a smartphone. Like I literally felt like the Wicked Witch of the West in Oz, where she's like, I'm melting, 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 right? Like my energy would just sap. I felt like there's a big energy sucker. And then I would just literally almost want to fall asleep. And I'm like, you have to turn off your phone, right? Which they did. So I can be in a room with multiple cell phones. I can be in Best Buy with multiple cell phones. I have a Christmas story about that. But anyway, that was when I was not as resilient. But the point is that it's not that we have to be perfectly 100% resilient to all the unnatural technologies out there. I think that those that are more resilient do survive, right, to possibly procreate. But actually the fertility rate's going down. Anyway, but those that don't die off, to be honest. Arthur Furstenberg, The Invisible Rainbow, he talks a little bit about that in that book, and it's all about different electromagnetic frequencies that we have instituted here. So there's a lot of things that humankind does as not natural, not optimal for health. Yeah. And, we live in a world of choices. We live in a world of choices, and I choose to come to a relatively unhealthy location for my body because I choose to be with a loved one or be close to and support a loved one. So that's what I choose. So in this case, I do the best I can. I really am not going to knock next door and tell them to turn their cell phone off at night. Okay, I'm just not going to do that. I just refuse to do that. So I'm going to do my best to have my tools, turn off the router at night, actually unplug it. And now that is just my husband and I in the place we can unplug both routers in our place, have the grounding mat, have the patches on, perhaps put the Eon closer to my head, the Eon LifeWave patches to help with stress, closer to my head, maybe even put 2 on potentially. And then maybe even Ice Wave, put Ice Wave on those points on my back that help mitigate the pain and increase the chi flow. So what happens is the electromagnetic frequencies that are disharmonious to the human body can stagnate the chi, and that's why the energy stagnated, and that's why the fascia cramps, and that's why the numb arms. So I know it's nothing like emergent, right? But can you imagine somebody else not being a medical doctor or understanding Chinese medicine trying to, oh my God, I have numb arms, oh my God, I'm having a stroke, right? No, I'm not having a stroke. So anyway, I want to share this with you just to let you know that there are other ways. I think maybe I might invest in the EarthCalm device. I have the old one plugged in here at Mom's place, but it's not strong enough to be able to mitigate the second router. And maybe I'll invest in the newer one because it's smaller and I can travel with it, right? So I can plug it in wherever I am to mitigate some of that negative energy, in addition to the grounding mat. I do have a portable one for travel when I go to a hotel, which I usually don't have this issue because the router is really far away. And have the patches, have the Ascension 3, perhaps we'll wear, an additional one at night, who knows? Like all these different things to support myself while living a lifestyle that I choose. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. I will post some links below of some of the tools that I've used in case that is helpful to you. You also see the other videos in the Healthy Habits, Healthy Life that I previously recorded for more of a deep dive in some of these tools as well. So, all right. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Much love.